Welcome to another episode of Jumping in the Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today this is what's jumping in my pot. I'm bringing you another Thanksgiving dish. I'm doing sides. I'm doing two sides. Our old favorite, which is green bean casserole, and a new favorite, cranberry carrots. Now, the first vegetable dish I'm going to make is cranberry carrots. And the ingredients for this is salt, sugar, lemon juice, butter, fresh cranberries that I diced up, and shredded carrots. I have a casserole dish here, and this is what we do. We add the carrots, the cranberries, the sugar, the salt, the lemon juice, and we mix this up together. Now we're going to add the unsalted butter. Now we're going to put the cover on the casserole, and then we're going to put it in the oven and let it bake for about 40 to an hour, 40 minutes to an hour. I have my oven at 360 degrees. While the cranberries and carrots are in the oven baking, we will now make the green bean casserole. These are the ingredients I will be using: breadcrumbs, minced garlic, all-purpose flour, diced onions, milk, sliced mushrooms, ranch dry seasoning. This is a must. Salt, white pepper, butter, and of course, the green beans. I have a pot here, and I have some water in the pot. We're going to put the green beans in this pot over here and let it cook for about 10 minutes. We don't want to thoroughly cook them. I just want to blanch them a bit. There. Now, the next step is we're going to make a bechamel sauce. Now, I have a saucepan here, that I'm going to add some butter to it. We're going to melt the butter. And we're going to add some flour to the butter, and we got to constantly stir it. Now we're going to slowly add the milk, and you got to constantly whisk it. We whisk it until it gets thick. But now we're going to add some white pepper. And a little salt. Yes, the sauce has thickened. Let's test it. You get a spoon. You see? It's thickened up. That's how you tell if it's thickened. So we turn this off and we add the ranch dressing to it. We whisk this up together. The sauce is made, and now we're going to set this aside. Okay, now I have a cast iron pot here with a little oil in about 2 teaspoons. And I'm going to add the onions, the garlic, and I'm going to saute it up together. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. Look at the onions and garlic jumping in the pot. Now the onions and garlic have sauteed up enough, and I'm going to take half of it out. And now we're going to add the mushrooms. I'm going to saute these mushrooms up for about 3 to 4 minutes. I've just taken the mushrooms and the onions out of the pot. Now I'm going to mix the mushrooms in here with the green beans. I have a casserole dish here, and I've mixed the mushrooms, the garlic, and the onions into the green beans. And I'm going to put them in this dish. Now that I have the green beans, the mushrooms, the onions, and the garlic assembled in the casserole dish, this is the next thing. We pour the sauce on top. We're making sure it's spread evenly. Now, the next thing we're going to do is sprinkle some breadcrumbs on top. Okay, now we're going to put some onions on top. Now, people usually use the canned fried onions, but I am using fresh onions on mine. Okay, now you put it in the oven and let it cook for 20 to 30 minutes. I've taken it out the oven. Here you have it. Cranberry carrots and green bean casserole. An old favorite and a new favorite you can serve for your Thanksgiving dinner. If you like what you saw today, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. And follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and Pinterest. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.